guys, welcome back. This is my second project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of January, and as with last week, here are my few disclaimers. One, my iMovie is stuffing up, so you can't see any photos at the end of this video. Two, I have COVID, so my voice sounds rubbish, and I'm going to be coughing probably during this voiceover. And three, I can't find my microphone, and so the audio quality is not that great. So I do apologize. You're getting like real raw Ronnie here. Anyway, I'm doing a 12 by 12 layout, and the colors of this layout are very much inspired by the colors in my photo. So I've got green and pink, and then I'm also pulling more of a hot pink paper from an earlier kit that we got because I really wanted to tie that hot pink color from my daughter's shirt into this. So it's kind of like a two-parter layout. Often I would just do one-parter, but I really wanted to include all of these photos and the photo of my dad with the girls. So I'm sort of doing some of the like the main strip of photos down the top, and I'm using that little banner that I just created as like an anchoring point and also a journaling point. And then I am using the photo of my dad. It's kind of go down the bottom, which I don't often do. I don't think I've ever done a layout where there's like a huge cluster of photos and then a tiny photo on the other end. And tell you what, I like it. What my favorite part of this layout is, though, towards the end, and I'm going to make it super speedy so you don't have to watch it all, I'm adding loads of little like dots and stars and hearts and sprinkly bits and glitter and stickles, and it just makes it look magical. You've seen me do this before, so it's not something new, but I really like how when you add all of these little dots, it kind of just like becomes a very whimsical layout, and that's kind of like very much my style. So anyway, back to the layout. I've added the title, and now I'm going to add these amazing die cut flowers. As you can see there. Sorry. And yeah, I'm going to add my journaling right underneath where it says Cherished. And what's next? Then I'm going to just go ahead. I think I'm going to do all the sprinkly bits halfway before I put on the stickles because they need time to dry. I'm going to do my date as well. Sorry about the background noise. It's holidays, the family all here, we all have COVID. It's not a fun time. Yeah, so this is super fast, but you can basically see what I'm doing. I'm creating like all of these little clusters and I'm just jumping around the page, and I love how this looks. I'm using my gold pen to create a little border and then add little dots using the gold pen. And then I'm going to use the white Vicky Bouton pen that we got in the kit a few months ago as well. And that white is so opaque. Oh my goodness, I love it. You can see, look, this is where I'm using here. I tried to use the Posca, didn't work. This Vicky Bouton one, it's amazing. Look at that white. So I love how when I added this, it really started to like look cohesive for me and come together. I love all the greens and the pinks in this layout. I don't often use a solid color paper in the background, and I think it really worked this time. Like I could have done this exact layout with a white background, but I think the pink just works better. Anyway, after I do this border, I'm all done. Thank you very much for joining me. I will be back next week with another layout. Thank you. Bye.